guys, welcome to your third HIIT workout. So without wasting any further time, let's climb straight into it. So guys, that was your stairway to heaven. Or should I say hell? Make sure you warm up before you start this routine. Make sure you're hydrated during your workout. And definitely cool down once you're done. That's your third HIIT video. If you have any comments and any feedback regards your experience for this workout, do share it in the comment section below. For more exciting content, like, share and subscribe.